Before creating an arteriovenous fistula, a vessel mapping procedure needs to be conducted. One interesting aspect of this mapping involves assessing the vein's elasticity. First, the vein size is measured without tourniquet. The reading is a measurement of 2.9 millimeters. Next, a tourniquet is applied. And a second measurement is taken. It now reads 4.3 millimeters in size. The vein's ability to significantly dilate in response to the tourniquet indicates good elasticity, enabling it to accommodate the increased flow following the creation of an AVF. An increase in size of at least 50% is considered a positive indicator for maturation. In this case, the patient's vein, initially measuring 2.9 millimeters, experienced an increase of at least 1.45 millimeters, thus meeting this criterion.